This is ridiculous, you guys. Listen to this. Pug life. He has no F's to give right now. It's amazing. Look at this. That's my face, you guys. That's his face. I have no freedom.